In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Canva Pro unpaid trial or subscription. Whether you just tried Canva Pro and decided it's not for you, or you simply don't want to be charged when the trial ends, I'll walk you through the process step by step in a clear and simple way. First, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. Log into the account that has the Canva Pro trial or subscription. It's important to make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one Canva login, so you don't accidentally manage the wrong subscription. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon or your initials. Click on that, and from the menu that appears, look for an option that says Account Settings, or simply Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to your main account management page, where you can adjust things like your profile, teams, and most importantly for this video, your billing details. On the left-hand side or near the top of the settings page, you should see a tab or section labeled Billing or Billing and Plans. Click on Billing. This is where Canva shows you information about your current plan, your payment method, and your upcoming charges. Take a quick moment to confirm that you're on Canva Pro and check the renewal or trial end date if it's visible. Knowing this helps you make sure you're cancelling before the next charge. Within the billing section, look for a button or link that says Cancel, Cancel Trial, or Cancel Subscription. The wording might vary slightly, but it will clearly be related to ending your Canva Pro plan. When you see it, click on Cancel. Canva may ask you a couple of short questions about why you're cancelling, or offer you alternatives like switching to the free plan. Just follow the prompts on screen. Make sure you go through all the confirmation steps until you see a final message indicating that your Canva Pro trial or subscription has been cancelled. It's a good idea to check your email afterward for a confirmation message from Canva and to refresh the billing page to confirm that your plan is now showing as free. Once that's done, you've successfully cancelled your Canva Pro unpaid trial or subscription, and you won't be charged when the trial period ends.